In today's rustic and comforting episode of Rosa's Portuguese Kitchen, we dive into a warm and soulful dish, poached eggs with peas and chouriço, a beloved recipe that brings the flavors of the Portuguese countryside straight to your table. Eggs with peas and chouriço. 500 grams of peas, 4 eggs, 1 Portuguese chouriço sliced, 1 chopped onion, 1 deciliter of white wine, 2 garlic cloves chopped, 1 deciliter of tomato paste, olive oil, 1 bay leaf, chopped parsley, salt and pepper to taste. In a large pot, heat olive oil. Add chopped onion, garlic, and bay leaf. Sauté over low heat until the onion is soft. Add the white wine, and after that, the sliced chouriço and the tomato paste. Cook for 3 more minutes, stirring occasionally. Add the peas and hot water, just enough to cover them. Season with salt and pepper. Cook over low heat until the peas are tender. Make 4 small wells in the stew and crack an egg into each one. Cover and cook until the eggs are poached. A simple, rustic, and satisfying dish that warms both heart and belly. See you next time for more traditional Portuguese flavors on Rosa's Portuguese Kitchen. Faça e coma!